Okay, hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can terminate and connect these coax and Cat6 to this plate. In the residential and most of the houses we have something like this. Sometimes we have two Cat6, sometimes there's only one and one coax like here. Okay, first, as you can see, it's too long, these wires. We cut it, it's too long. 1 feet like this should be good enough. That's long enough. Here we go, one, and the second one is like this. And this is too much. Okay, there we go. And then, as you can see, for coax, for Cat6, you need something like this cutter. You have to cut it, just cover, like 2 inch, 1.5 inch should be good enough. You'll cut it, be careful to don't cut the wires. Here we go. This is 8 wires inside the Cat6. For LAN plates, for networking, or something like this, usually we use it. We cut, this is cross inside it, don't need it. Okay, we have 4 pair twisted together, and then let's untwist it one by one. Orange, blue, and green. Here we go. Now I have to just make it straight, one by one. Still twist it. Okay, now we have something like this. Cat6 data jack. This is a different color in the market, like a white, gray, black, whatever. You choose regular, just white. Okay, this is Cat6 jack, and this is a cover for wires. Okay, we have 2 kind. Here we go. Depending on which protocol you choose, there is A and B, type A and type B. You can see, and there is different combination. Personally, for some reason, I choose type B. As you can see, here is brown and brown, white, brown. I choose 1 pair. Okay, here. Okay, brown goes here. And white, brown here. There you go. Or sometimes you can use this direction, doesn't matter. There you go. And it goes a little close. Okay, it's better, clear. Okay, good. Now the other pair regarding this combination, type B is green and green white. Choose green and green white. Is a green goes here, and green white goes here. Now it's something like this tool. Just need to push it, not too hard, too broken, just a little hard. Just push it to goes all the way here. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. The rest of the wires, so you can see type B. Here's orange and orange white. Choose this pair. orange goes here, and orange white is here. Okay, and the last page is blue. See, type B, type A. I choose type B. Blue here and white blue here. Then again push it close to the end to just cut with this blade here to make sure the connection is good. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So with some kind of this punch, when you push it, there's another kind of this punch automatically cut it, but I don't have it as an all one. Need to manually cut the wires. Rest of the wire, cut it. Here again. Okay. Now, little tilted, and then use a cap here, or you can make it move it here. Doesn't matter, really doesn't matter. Okay, Cat6 is ready. Now let's terminate coax for central antenna, for internet companies, whatever. With something like this tool, you can find it easy, like a $10, $10, most of stores. Okay. By the way, you can find these tools, most of these tools in a Home Depot, easy. Like $10, $15, whatever. It's not big deal anyway. Okay. So there's 2 blades in this tool. Just leave half an inch outside. Then leave the blade here. Just turn around the cable 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes one more to make it loose. Don't need too much to don't cut the wire. First layer completely take out. The second time just cut half of the wire, like just for cover. Then here we have one copper core, and then the shield is covered around this one. Be careful when you use this one. If you turn too much with the smaller blade, cut the shield and this damage. You have to cut it and then rewire, re-terminate again. Now terminate here. You have something like this. This is coax keystone. You can find it easy online or any technical stores. Now, from this two-way, here's a for outside connector. This side is internal side. Now I have to push it inside and push all the way to if you can see, the white cable comes to close off this main hole inside the keystone, and then that's it. So we need to keep just 1/4 inch outside. The rest of them will cut it. Just 1/4 enough. Now with this punch, you can find it from Home Depot. So this wire goes to this hole. and then ready to punch. That's it. What's happened? See, if we compare regular one and then punch this 1/4 inch, punch it. This plastic goes inside and then lock it. Nobody can take it out. Now we have something like coax key, something like here. This is adapter for keystone. I'm gonna use here, then connect together, just turn it to make it enough tight. Now it's ready. Now last step is plating. Double hole plate for networking, just a couple dollars, can find it from everywhere. Okay, now one by one goes to the plate, this direction, done. The other one goes to here, same direction, done. So lock it. Nice and clean, finally. Both is connected, joined together in the plate, nice and clean. And then here it is. Painting. Okay. Careful, don't tilt it this way, that way. Smaller goes in here. Screws, 2 screws in the package. This plate comes with 2 small screws, one here, one here. Now it's bigger. Okay, now drill it with drywall. First one. Then last one. Nice and clean. There we go. Well done. Okay guys, hope it's useful for you guys to learn how we can terminate and plating for most of the houses. And next session I'm gonna learn you how we can terminate phone jack, and with these 2 popular jacks, 90% of the keystone and plating in the houses and residential is by these guys. Coaxes for antenna and internet, and Cat5 or Cat6 cable and keystone for LAN plate for networking. Thank you for watching.